Welcome to Wise Maturity. Today I'm going to share with you some wisdom that only the years can give us. You might think maturity comes with age, right? But let me tell you something. Being mature isn't just about the number of years you've lived. It's about how you face life, how you make decisions, and how you treat others. You can be young and have the soul of a wise person. Let's reflect together on 7 signs that show when someone has truly reached emotional maturity and wisdom. First sign, they base their choices on character, not emotions. Let me share a life secret, something I've learned watching the comings and goings of the years. Those who are truly wise don't let momentary emotions control their decisions. Have you ever seen someone make a decision in the heat of the moment and then deeply regret it? Well, maturity teaches us to take a deep breath, think about our values, and let our character guide our steps. A mature person is clear about who they are, and it's that identity that brings peace in the midst of chaos. They know that emotions are fleeting, but choices based on character last. Second sign, they know how to wait with patience. Patience. How many times in life have I seen people rush with no direction, anxious for quick results? But the truth is, the best things in life take time. Mature people understand that the achievements truly worth having don't happen overnight. They dedicate themselves, work hard, and more importantly, wait. They know that, like a tree growing slowly, life's greatest victories take time to bloom. And what's even more beautiful, they are also patient with others because they understand that everyone carries their own burdens. Third sign, they keep commitments and promises. In life, my dear ones, a promise is a debt, as the elders used to say. Truly mature people don't give up when things get tough. They keep their commitments even when motivation fades and the road seems difficult. Why? Because they know that the real reward only comes after a lot of effort. While others quit at the first obstacle, those with wisdom persevere to the end, knowing that the taste of victory is sweeter for those who stay true to their promises. Fourth sign, they know how to listen more and speak less. Have you noticed how rare it is to find someone who truly knows how to listen? The wise, my dears, are those who aren't in a hurry to speak. They listen carefully, reflect on what the other person says, and only then share their words, always with a touch of wisdom. Conversations with such people are deep, full of understanding and learning. They know that everyone has something to teach, and that's why they're always ready to listen, without rushing to impose their opinion. Listening, my dear ones, is an art, and the mature are true artists in this regard. Fifth sign, they don't seek attention, they are humble. Humility, such a rare but precious quality. Truly wise people don't need the spotlight to feel good. They know their achievements are the result of hard work, but they don't need the whole world to recognize them. They are at peace with themselves and with others, without the need to prove anything to anyone. These are people who learn from everyone around them and treat each person with respect and kindness, regardless of their success. The confidence of the mature comes from within, not from external praise. Sixth sign, they keep an open mind. Now pay attention, because this is one of the most important signs. Those who are mature and wise know they don't have all the answers. They keep an open mind and are always willing to learn. They understand that everyone has their own struggles and experiences that shape their opinions, and so they never judge hastily. True wisdom comes from realizing that the more we learn, the more we see how much we still have to learn. An open mind is a gift that maturity gives us. Seventh sign, they are self-aware and take responsibility for their mistakes. Lastly, but certainly not least, maturity brings with it self-awareness. A wise person knows how to recognize their own mistakes and isn't afraid to admit when they're wrong. They understand that every action has a consequence, so they act with care, thinking not only of themselves but also of others around them. When they make a mistake, they are the first to step up and take responsibility. That, my dear ones, is the true sign of maturity. Now I ask you, do you see yourself in these signs? Have you been living with maturity, making decisions based on character, being patient, keeping your promises, listening more, and speaking less? I hope so, but if not, don't worry. Life always gives us the opportunity to grow and learn. Let's reflect together and strive to be the best version of ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, share this wisdom with your friends and subscribe for more soul-warming reflections. After all, life is a constant learning process, and I'll always be here to share a bit of what I've learned over the years. Leave a comment to let me know that this video was special to you. Write, "I've matured," and I'll know that you enjoyed it. May God bless you, and see you next time.